Look what landed on my desk. I was gifted this giant box of 90 acrylic markers and I want to put them to test. So no swatching because it's boring, just pure drawing, and let's find out how these babies behave. Look what I have received. It's a huge box of acrylic markers by Arrtx, 90 colors. Can you believe that? It comes in a sturdy box. And I must say, this is a gift from Arrtx, but you know me, if I don't like it, I will say. So all the colors, and it comes with some labels to place on the bottom part of the marker, and this, I don't know what you're supposed to do with it. Is it to place somewhere on the body? I have no idea, and I'm not sure I have the energy to do it. Really? I think I will go straightforward with directly the colors. And what is great with those ones compared to those ones that I have, those ones are shakeable. You have to shake it to get the juice out of it, and it's a round tip, and they are very liquid. I don't like them much. Arrtx also, but I don't like them much. Those ones are brush markers, and you don't need to shake them. And this is great, because shaking and pumping to begin with, it's so annoying. Now I want to use that to do something. Let's see what we are going to do. Let's say it's a bit of a crash test because I have not made any swatches. So just to be safe, I will take a sheet of paper, oops, on the side, just to try it before using it. And this is my fashion sketchbook that I am currently filling. I don't want to show you yet. You will see that later. I'm using an image from a photo I took at the Dolce & Gabbana exhibition. Very smooth. Because I have tried the other ones when you have to shake on this paper and it is rubbing the paper. This one is very soft, and when you apply the color, you don't rub anything, which is pretty cool. What is important is to see if it's bleeding or not. Doesn't seem to bleed. Oops, you had a small view of the previous page. And the good thing with acrylic markers is you don't need to erase your lines before, because it is opaque and it is covering what you have drawn under, and also you can layer colors. And you don't need to push hard on the marker. You can just, you know, be gentle, gently touch the paper, and that will be enough. So if you have wrist issues, that's a good one. Just make sure you clip well the cap, otherwise it may dry a bit. This is cool to have metallics in a set like that. Very nice coverage. Made a mistake. All right, let's go back with the second layer, and fine. Yeah, it works. This one should be silver. Oh, very silvery, very liquid. I think I would like to make that a bit silver. Not that it's exactly like that in the image, but fine. And I don't want to bother with a little square of gold. I can go across and come back later would be easier to do it after. Maybe my green is a bit too dark. I have a second thought, so going on top with a lighter one. Not so happy with this beige. It's a bit strong, a bit too much in my face. So what if I add a bit of highlight? So I'm placing the color and I'm blending it with my finger. I don't dare adding water. Something I would do, but really this paper, it's a no. Now let's see if I can add details with fine markers. Oh, it was supposed to be connected because it's a pieced quilt. So I have to fix my mistake, but good thing I can fix everything. I think the ultimate test for an acrylic marker is the opacity on black. This is the best way to know if your acrylic markers are opaque. So I'm placing some black acrylic paint. I will use this range of colors, pretty light, to see how it behaves on the black paper, well, black paint. And I have it's not completely dry, but let's pretend it is. Make a rough drawing because there is a big hat that I want to draw. Is it large enough? Well, it will have to be. Right, 2 layers. And it looks very opaque. I remember using another brand, well, let's say a dupe, and it was 4 layers before getting to this opacity. So it's really cool. Oh, 3 layers and it's perfectly opaque. Haha, going very well. So I'd like to have a gray. This is a blue gray. This is light gray. I like a gray, a dark gray actually. Well, we are never happy with what we have. Even 90 colors. Not enough. I think I should be placing the main blue things. I don't want to draw and fill everything. I want to keep this loose style. Some blue dress. Some highlights. Should be some arms here. Yeah, that's better with a bit of arms. So what are my conclusions? First, I need to say that this paper is a nightmare, so it's not the best to try a new medium. So I have done something else on another paper. I am very happy with the coverage, the smoothness, and the ease of application, because you don't need to shake, you don't need to pump, and the tip is really, really cool. It's very pointy, but also very wide. It's very convenient to use this kind of brush tip. Well, it depends on your style, of course, but to me, it's very interesting. There is a gold and a silver, and they are pretty bright, shiny. And I made a video recently where I test gold paints. If you want to go and watch this, I link it in the description below. And regarding the opacity on black, I am very, very pleased, because I did something recently on black and I never could reach this level of opacity. So the white, really look at how popping it is. I'm really satisfied, and I made also a try on watercolor paper to be fair, and I loved it. It's really very smooth. It blends very well. It's pretty nice. And yes, this is from Bird Party, coming soon. So I think this will be my new toy for a long time because they are very smooth, very colorful, very opaque, easy to use. I understand the need to have the numbers of your colors when you are doing art, but to me, when I am working on a specific project, I keep all the colors I am using outside of the box, so I'm sure to reuse them all the time. What I don't know what's about is this. Where is it supposed to go? On the body? I don't know. It's a mystery. If someone knows, let me know. Well, that's it for this one. And I have finished my Dolce & Gabbana sketchbook. I will show it to you in the next video. It will be here when it's available, which is pretty soon. Thanks for watching. See you soon.